What's booming YouTube? It's your guy DH Pyro back again with another video. Here we're going to light a few little firecrackers. Over there we got the lit Dynamites. We got some Crazyjordans. We got some Hulksalutes. And we got an old one. This is, I had this for a while. And this is a Class C. And this is Blockbuster. These are pretty old. Actually, they're really old. But this was the only pack I had given to me by a buddy of mine. And I'm going to light them, man. You know what I'm saying? I want to light them. I actually, you know, had them for a while. And I actually want to see and hear how they sound. So we're going to do some crackers, guys. So I'm going to do this Blockbuster first. Let's check it out. Let's check them out. The Blockbuster. Nice. All right, here's a lit Dynamite. Damn. Nice. Boy, I hate these short fuses. I hate them. They definitely need to start making the fuses longer on them. But let's see if I can get two at the same time. Yep. God damn. All right, we got the Hulksalute. Let's check it out. Damn. That was good. I like that one. Let's try one more. Dope. Got the Crazyjordan. This is a little bigger, so I'm gonna throw it over here. But let's check it out. God damn. Woo, woo.